Hey guys, good morning. So what I'm doing today, hit like, hit share, subscribe. Guys, this is what I'm doing today. I'm going to the junkyard. It's nice and cold, but I can wear my merch right here in Florida. And I'm going to the junkyard to get parts for the CRX back there and see what else, show up on the menu. Reason I'm saying that is because I waiting for a car to come in from Japan, and from my homeboy here, Juan, this is his company. Car's already here in Jacksonville. It's about 5 hours from my house, and I'm waiting for one document to show up so I can go pick it up, and probably by myself. So you're all gonna come with me when that happens. So that's what being waiting on. The CRX, my boy didn't show up on Sunday to help me out, but I figured out a couple other things about the tachometer, and I'm looking for parts for that car right there. The S2000 beautiful, it's out there, it's taking the sun. And yeah, I'm gonna head to the junkyard, see what I can find. And I'm looking for one of these, but for a single cam. There should be plenty around there, leaving around, so that I can do something like this again. So with that said, I'm gonna go to the junkyard. A little bit changes here, clean up a little bit better, but yeah, I'm going to the junkyard. We're still putting on the hoses for Adriana's brake caliper suspension work on, and I'll keep talking to you about it, what's going on about the car later on when I get to the junkyard. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so me and Juan, I bought the car like maybe a month ago, 2 months ago, almost 3 now. And everything was good. We got everything, all the paperwork done. It took me a month to get the car down here to Florida, and now it's in Jacksonville. I mean, he didn't go to Miami. It's like 2 hours away from me. Went to Jacksonville. That's the only port that he can get the car in. He's been a cool person with me all this time. Last time I talked to him, mom was in the ER. I hope everything goes well for you during your mom. But I'm waiting for that last paper. As soon as I get that last paper, I can get in the truck. I need to buy a trailer, to be honest with you guys. I've been doing so much haulers lately on my truck, it's ridiculous. If you remember videos back, I hauled the Volkswagen from Orlando home. Previous to that, I hauled the CRX, the blue one. Then I hauled this Integra, the Volkswagen. The last one we hauled was TSX. And I'm not complaining, but this truck can take the punishment, but every time I rent one, it's like $150, $200, So yeah. Besides that, thank you for all the new subscribers. If you're not following me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram at Gene Garage. Follow me also in TikTok at Gene Garage. I'm over there. But this car's for sale. Anybody interested? There's a couple videos on the car in the past. It says, I'll make the name of the company. You click on it, you can see the truck, and you can see the Integra. I mean, not Integra, sorry. Toyota. It's a Toyota Aristro. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. It is a 1997. It's basically a Lexus. For Leaf, it's a 400 GS38 and 3 something. It comes with a 3JZ motor on it. Right-hand drive, lower, coilover, original wheels right now. The car is clean as hell. The video that I got in YouTube already is him sending me videos about the car. And I got to turn phone because I forgot my wallet. Hey guys, I made it to a junkyard, and I got something to show you real quick. This is the same car that I bought in Japan. Same car, one car looks 10 times cleaner, and it's an Aristro, a GS300. This is the car that comes from Japan. That pop. But this one seems better this on. 2JZ, but this is the American version of it. I got the Japanese version of that. And but yeah. And look what I'm looking for. Just sit right next to it and look at it. And my lock.
This guy loves to screw around. That's what I need. That's what I came for. So, let me take this off real quick. Number 10. Damn, I'll screw already. Let me see what else I can find. Right? Look, they left the VTEC solenoid right there. They left the VTEC solenoid right here. Coming home with me. What else we got? Like headers on here. Roof off. Oh man, we got 50-50 tail lights. That's the other one. For the water. Well, I don't know how to find them all. My boy, he sold that car. Look, this right here and that's what I need. So, let me get number 10 real quick. Maybe I found one. Yeah, I don't have to open my box. Guys, I get rid of the Civic and there's like 30 Civics in here. And when you're looking for a Prelude, you never find one. This is a rare find in the junkyard. With a dual cam motor in it. And headers and everything. So this is a good buy right here. Then it's a total shit, but still got all the brakes, the side skirts. A lot of case swaps lately. Let me keep walking. Alright guys, just came back from the junkyard myself and nothing. I found the part that I was looking for. I'll put you guys right here. As you can see right here, this is what I was looking for. This got cut the right way, how long it was. The other one got cut too short and that's what's leaking. So I want to cut this one. You see I already marked it? Cut that real quick. Using my cutter right here, we're gonna cut just the top of it, make it nice, okay? Alright guys, got our part, and this is what they did. They do something like this so the fuel will not go through. And basically, the coated too short. See the difference? This is the way you want it. Because as soon as this goes in here, boom, it seals perfectly. Too perfect, this one. Woo! Where's the other one? The other one. Try this one. And perfectly in like that. That's what you want. So what I need to do is go perfectly like that. You see how you got like an inch? And when you put this in, just screw out of here. When you put this one in, it's not going to fill up the way it's supposed to. So, I'm going to keep grinding this so I get it to the way I want it. got a lot to go. So this was back in the day that we used to use, and we got it done, set up. It's a lot better. Got everything that I needed right here. So let's put it together in the car. All right, guys. So I changed to this old school cam. The other clock is not showing fuel. Well, I did test it, and it shows fuel down there. So what I'm going to do is right now, I'm just going to put it on. There we go. Shows 10 PSI right now. All right, update. Let me tell you what's going on. I had another one sitting here, brand new one. I put it on to see if it marks. I do have fuel coming in because if you look back down there, turn the fuel pump, the fuel went down. So I do have fuel. But trying to crank the car crank, don't start. And now my fuel pump is kicking in without me jumping. That's great news. I turn the key on, you can hear the fuel pump kick in. You can hear everything kick in. The motor turn, so don't turn over. Now I need to find out why. So, I have my other ECU that I'm gonna take out of there. This ECU right here, the same model of that one. I put it on, nothing happened. Fuel pump did not kick in on this one or nothing. I'll put this one in here. By the way, I got like 30 of it. That cabin over there is full of ECUs. But with that said, I put it on, crank it. Remember, he's cranking with one of those little batteries right there. My young box here, when it's fully charged, motor can turn beautiful. But when it's not, when I turn now, the problem I'm having is not marking fuel. And two, it's not, what's I'm gonna call it? It's not cranking up like it's supposed to, like by itself. With even starter fluid, and it will not crank. I wonder if it got spark plugs in here. Yeah, it does have spark plugs. It does have spark plugs in there, so. And I can hear the poof. Like he wants to crank. I don't know because it's solo is a booster motor. He probably got low compression pistons. I don't know. So, but it should start. It should start without me doing a lot of things. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm trying to get this started, get it going. I'm hungry. I want to take a break. I want to go eat something. Let this thing charge for a bit. That right there is gonna charge. Load up one of my new what's my call it? Batteries on the camera. So I can keep going. So that's where we are right now. If you guys have any idea, you let me know. Alright, let me go take a look. Alright guys. The end of the night. I tried to start it over again. I was cutting the grass, I don't know one out, but I was trying to cut it again. And now I got, at least I can turn the key right now. And when I turn the key, you hear the fuel pump kick in. And that's a really good news on that. Then, you know, the ignition is still not working right. So I'm jumping it with this jumper cable right here. Turn it over, this brace on starter fluid, start it over, and you can hear the boom, boom. I don't know if it's out of timing. I'm thinking that might be the issue.
So in my next video, I'm gonna go here and I'm gonna check the bottom end timing on this, and I'm gonna check the top timing on this, see if it's out of timing or not. It sounds good, but right now, for everything the way it is, the car should start right now, and I started. I got fuel going in, even though I don't have fuel in the clock. I don't know why. I got fuel, but hear the fuel pump kicking in. And I hear the fuel pump kicking in. I'm taking it apart, and I can see fuel leaking. My new gadget that we put in today is working. It's not leaking at all. So that's telling me that I don't have the gauges either to put it on to see how much fuel I got either. I should do that. Oh no. But that's what I'm doing right now. Little by little, I'm going in. And, last week didn't want to start at all. I mean, the fuel pump wouldn't kick in. Now it's kicking in. So good news. Now I gotta go little by little, play around. Now I got that going right now. So my next step, the next video, is going from car. Now I got fuel pump to car one start. So then I gotta check if I got spark. That's my next thing. If I don't have spark, that means that the receiver is cracked. So that's my next step. See if I got spark. So for that, I will see that. Maybe later on somebody can help me with that. Let's check if I got spark. If I don't have spark, two things. This receiver is not working, and everything's connected. If I don't have spark, remember the car will not start. It's got compression, but it will not start. So, with that said, hit like she said, subscribe, hit share. Beautiful CRX. Another one. And the Del Sol back there. Thank you for watching. See you guys later.